Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we'll show you a problem that could occur to your Fiesta and you freak out. You might think you need a BCM module, the body control module, but actually it could be just a fuse. So if you have an Mk7 2008 to 2017 model, guys, you have one fuse in the engine compartment fuse box that actually feeds the fuse box behind the glove box. And that fuse box behind the glove box is the one responsible for everything working inside the vehicle, pretty much. So if your windows, your cluster, your radio, all that stuff don't work, check out that fuse. We have more than 200 videos on the car taking everything apart, so please subscribe and let us know if you need anything. So what we'll need to do, guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it, of course. And the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So once you remove the cover, you can see the number of the fuses are printed on the inside, and we need to find fuse number 5, F5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 fuse. It's 60 amp in our case. Okay, and if that fuse is burnt, nothing inside the vehicle will work. So we need to gently pull it out. Okay, like that. You can check them on the inside if they're burnt or not. If it's burnt, you definitely need to replace it and see if that fixes the problem. You might have a short somewhere that burned the fuse, so you need to figure this one out, especially if a radio was installed or anything like that. So always check that. So that'll be, guys, the whole thing. So all we have to do, get the new fuse, push it in place, and this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.